Hey Barry, do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye.
I don't know about you, but I'm actually excited for this because I really did not like the projection faces.
We've been asking for this for years.
Yes, and especially ever since Hong Kong opened with their Frozen Ever After attraction with full-blown animatronic faces. So
Yeah, that did not make these screen face animatronics age very well.
I am happy that Anna and Elsa will no longer have a 5 o'clock shadow.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending and you. We're going up to Elsa's ice house with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Very much like today, I say consistent with an unselfish and untrue love, a form of frozen heart.
And you're their best friend.
Now stick it out to the right. Yeah?
That was Frozen Ever After, and that is so much better than the previous version.
Creepy screen faces are gone, thank
Yes,
God.
creepy screen faces are gone. Anna, Elsa, Kristoff all look like Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff now.
Olaf still has the projection eyes, which I think the screen stuff works for them, the projection.
Yeah, the projection eyes and,
It gives them-
the trolls still have
The
their
trolls-
their project. Was it Poppy still has his projection face?
But those work.
Those work.
That doesn't. I think it actually helps. It gives them character. But Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, they all look fantastic. I'm so glad we got rid of the screen faces. I don't have much to say. Other than
The Let It Go sequence obviously just works way better when you come through, and that it looks like Elsa.
Here's my thing with that though. That if you compare that to the movie, this is just me nitpicking really
Yes,
quick.
Yes.
If you compare it to the movie, that's the Let It Go scene on the ride. Elsa's moving so much quicker,
Yeah.
and her overall as an animatronic has always weirded me out in that segment. But that's just me being nitpicky, because you know in the song in the movie Let It Go, she's casting her spells and she's going all crazy. But regardless of that,
Okay, Disney Parks nerd.
I know.
We ride these things way too much.
We do,
The
we
average
do.
guest is not going to notice. But great update. Really moves it up into what I think is now a top tier attraction.
Yeah.
It to me is something before it was, if there was no line, we would probably do it.
I might, yeah.
To me, it is always a must do.
Kudos to everybody in Imagineering involved
Yes.
with this makeover. It was
Yes.
much needed. We need more things like this. It makes us appreciate these rides so much more when you put time and effort into updating them and fixing them and doing all these wonderful things. So,
Awesome. That's it from Norway World Showcase, EPCOT. Thanks for watching.
good night.